Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will teach you how to use the Fluid Engine editor in your Squarespace website. The Fluid Engine editor is a powerful tool that allows you to customize the design and layout of your Squarespace website. Firstly, you need to sign up to a Squarespace account. I have already signed up my account. After signing up, click on Get Started button. So let's begin guys. Firstly, you need to type Squarespace in your Google. Click on the link and open in a new tab. So guys, here you can see variety of templates available. You can choose one of these templates and start customizing your website design. Just scroll down to see various templates. I will go with this templates. Click on preview template. Now preview your website and click on start with this design. Name your website here and click on continue. Click on next and get started. Here is the editor of our website. Friends, also note that from July 2022, when you open your template, it will directly open to the Fluid Engine editor. So this is our element page. Here you can edit your element and arrange your website accordingly. Now click on edit button. Here you can see the blue color options available. From the right panel you can see the site style. Click on this. You will see a panel that contains all of the customization options for your website. Here you can change the color scheme, typography, layout and merge mode. So let's begin guys. In the Fluid Engine editor, there was a very new tool that you can also easily drag and drop from website one part to another. Easily you can handle all of the elements here. In the background you can see some grid line here available, so you can place the content accordingly. So it is very easy to use. Also you can click on edit. You can see various options available. You can also change the background from here. Click on this background and this will change the background of your text. You can also change the size of your box. So guys, it is very easy to use. Here you can also change the corner of this corner of the box. Also you can type the quantity, type the number that you change accordingly. You can also run with the transform tool. It is very easy to use guys. You can adjust it accordingly to your needs. I think it is very big, so change the size. You can also change the size from left and right and right and left. You can easily drag and drop the content. Now here in the left side you can see the add block option. It will also appear on the classic editor, but in this it will looks very good. Here you can add anything you want to: text, image, button, video, form, audio, newsletter, scrolling option, anything you want to add. Right now we just click on image to add. Now here you can see various options available: alignment option and copy option. Now click on edit here. It will add your background. Click on the background that you want to choose. So in this option here guys, you can see various options available. Here is it will link on the image you want to link. You can also customize this by click on this. Click on overlay button. It will directly overlay with the color here. You can change the color, anything you want to change, and change the black mode to overlay or anything. Multiply, lighten, color burn, anything you look good. I think overlay is better. You can also add some light box themes here. So guys, it will give you various options available. Now you can also place it here. Here is the main tool. Here is to click on edit section. You can now here change the fit screen option. If you click on fit screen, it will directly fit to your screen or editor. You can also adjust the size from here. It is very good to use. So it will give a space to edit more option. Here you can also add anything you want to add. Medium is better, small is better. You can also change the alignment option from here. The best thing here is the gap. Click on the gap button. Here you can adjust the gap between the column and the row. So I will change the row size. I will small the size here. Also in the text menu you can see various options here. You can bold it, anything you want to do. You can also highlight this option. In the align section you can see it will align automatically the text. So it is very great option to use. Now when you put this, it will overlay from here. If you want to go backward here, you click on this, it will go backward. If you click on this, it will come again above. You can also click on duplicate the image. It is very easy to use guys. Also you can transform him directly according to your need. You can directly transform here. Click on this, edit, design, and you can click the fill. It will directly fill according the box size. You can also fill in the shape, anything you want to do. So guys, it looks very good when you do some same type of changes from here. Okay, in the edit section you can also see various options available. On the background, you can change the background according to your need. You can also apply image effect from here. This will create image effect on the background. In the Fluid Engine Editor, this is the very best effect here. It will give animation effect to your website. You can also change the theme, lightest, light to bright, dark, anything you want to change. Right now I will keep this. Also from here you can change the color by click on custom. It will change the effect of this image. Here you can see the image will be changed. From this image you can also add text you want to add. Click on the add block button. You can also add text here. You can write here anything you want to write. Also it will also collapse from here. And now in the button menu you can also adjust the button size here. It will look good when you arrange it automatically. Also you can change it into your mobile design. You can check that it will look good in your mobile. But here your button will be gone here, so you have to adjust accordingly to your specific size. You can also click on stretch button to navigate it properly. So also reduce the size of this. It will very great to use this. You can also add section from here, anything you want to add. After changes, once you are happy with your changes, click done and click on save to apply them to your website. So that's it guys. Overall, the Fluid Engine Editor is a user-friendly tool that allows you to customize your Squarespace website to your liking. Just remember to save your changes as you go along to ensure that your website looks and functions exactly as you want it to. So guys, this is how you can use your Fluid Engine Editor in your Squarespace website.